Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Take a look. New Curva Sud Morosini Gewiss Stadium renovations update. Finally, new Curva Sud Morosini is begin to taking shape. The latest work, precast concrete column and beam is begin to be installed on the new structure. The new Curva Sud Morosini has been prepared for the fitting of the big screen, to be temporarily attached to the cover of the stand, with a width of 14 to 20 meters and a height of 5 to 7 meters. The third stage of the redevelopment of the Gewiss Stadium was officially given the green light on the 5th of June 2023. The renovation will entail the Curva Sud Morosini, the away section and the Destiny Sud, in addition to the construction of the adjacent underground parking lot and all rated infrastructure works as per the implementing regulation. On 5th of June, the layout of the overall construction site was traced and delimited in the first hours of the morning.